The 5 ways you can make money with cryptocurrency are through trading, staking, lending, airdrop, and lend to earn. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm not also only going to mention it, I'm going to explain to you in detail so that you will know what it means, what it takes, and how to do it. And I'm not only stopping at that, I'll also give you resources because there are some platforms that I use to earn money in USDT, and I now put it in trading that move my account from this to this. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So the first on my list right here is through trading. So cryptocurrency trading is simply you buying low and selling high in order to make profit. But in that trading alone, there are different ways we trade cryptocurrency. The first on my list is you can start predicting. There are people that make money on daily basis, either cryptocurrency go up or goes down. Like you can predict that Bitcoin will go down, and you can put it with a particular amount of USDT, and when it goes down, you make money. So there are people that make money on daily basis, and I am part of it, because they say if life give you lemon, make lemonade out of it. If you check for some time now, I've not been consistent with my uploading because my husband has been hospitalized for almost 4 months now. So on that account, I decided to even go deeper and learn how to trade, how to analyze the market, how to buy low and sell high, and all that. So you can also be a trader by buying low and selling high, or by predicting the market, doing your analysis to make more money. Either cryptocurrency is going down or is going up. Another way you can still make money trading is you can buy and hold it for a long time. Like there are some people that bought Bitcoin when it was 16,000, it went down to 16, and now $16,000, and now it's at $30,000 as at when I'm recording this video. So there are people that will just buy and keep it as a store of value, and after a long period of time they will decide to sell it. Another way you can make money trading cryptocurrency is something that we call copy trading. This is one of the sweetest part of the trading, and what copy trading simply means is that you copying some master trader. So there are people that have gone so far, they have learned the market very well, and all they do is they trade. So you can also copy some master trader, and that does not mean that you give them your coins or your cryptocurrency. All you need to do is you go subscribe to them free. You can copy their trade, meaning you can just put like 100,000 or $100. If you put $100, you can decide that, okay, I'm copying this person trade, so whatever is buying, it will automatically be bought for you. Whenever he's selling, it will also automatically be sold. Your own will also be sold, and you can decide how much you can afford to lose. Like me now, mostly if I am copy trading, if I put $100, I will decide that, okay, I can only afford to lose $10. So if it's going down below 90, please stop trading for me, and my money is still with me. I can move it out at any time. So that is what copy trading. Another way of trading, mind you, we are still in number 1 way of making money with cryptocurrency, which is trading, is bot trading. There are bots that can trade for you, okay, and all you need to do is put your money. You can decide, okay, this is the amount of money, $50, $100, $1,000, $1 million, that can trade for you. So the bot will be buying low and be selling high, and your money will be increasing. And the platform I use is Bybit. Please use my link below. That is a way of encouraging me. So I'll drop a link below so that you can register and sign up for Bybit, because you need that account, because I'm going to be doing more videos on cryptocurrency this week, hopefully, and I'm going to be practically teaching you how to do all this that I'm mentioning. The second way to make money with cryptocurrency is through staking, and staking is simply you locking your crypto asset for a particular period of time in order to help support the operation of the blockchain. And in return for staking your crypto, you are going to earn more cryptocurrency. Just like me now, I stake my STX, and it has been growing. This is when I stake it, and this is how much I have earned so far. So that is another way to make money with cryptocurrency. So the third way to make money with cryptocurrency is through lending, and lending is a decentralized finance service that allow investors to lend out their cryptocurrency to borrowers. okay, so that in return you will be earning a particular percentage of interest. Okay, but there is also a downside to lending, because like I remember people that bought NFT, bought ape. Okay, the ape coin, when it came out, people that have borrowed from the lenders, when the coin now came out, is those that are holding the NFT that can claim the coins. And at launch, I think it went up to $40 per one, although now I think ape coin is less than $6 currently. Yes, so by the time those people finish borrowing, by the time they return it, the value is now less. You understand what that means? So it also have it all up and down, but honestly, a lot of people that lend their cryptocurrency, they are still earning money. So if you can decide, okay, I don't even want to learn how to buy, how to sell, how to trade, I just want to buy and lend. After a particular period of time, I can decide, okay, I'm not lending anymore, I sell, and in return you make money. That is why even you that you are watching me right now, if you can learn trading very well, you can even go and learn the cryptocurrency that you can use to be trading with, and you make a lot of money with that. There are people that's how they actually started. Okay, the fourth way you can make money with cryptocurrency is to participate in airdrop. This one is for free, and airdrop is simply some developers, people that develop their own cryptocurrency, their own coin. Okay, as it is new, they can just ask you to do one or two things so that you can participate and earn that coin. And when that coin launches to the market, you can now sell and you make your own money. And how to participate, everybody has his own way. Mostly some on Twitter or on Discord, they will just drop it to tell you that all you need to do is to like this post, retweet it, drop a comment, okay, and all that, or watch this video or do that for you to be able to be among those that will receive the airdrop. And there are a lot of people that have made a lot of money from airdrop. And if you are really interested in learning about cryptocurrency and you are not on Twitter, please, I beg of you, go on Twitter. Myself, I have not been serious with Twitter, although my account has been there, I think, since 2014 or thereabout. But now I'm taking it serious. If you go there, you will see a lot of things that I'm also doing. So you can go follow me on Twitter and also open your own Twitter account. Twitter and Discord is a must-have for anyone that is serious or ready to grow or learn more about cryptocurrency, and of course YouTube. Okay, the fifth way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through learn and earn. There are some websites that offers you chance to learn about cryptocurrency and you earn in return, maybe something little, but you can actually start with that little if really you are interested in growing. It's just that a lot of us have this mindset of get rich quick, and we want to just immediately start making thousands of dollars. We don't, without knowing that even $1, when you multiply it, it will give you 2, it will give you 5. From 5 can get to $10, and so on and so forth. And then a lot of us, if we make little money, instead of us looking for a way to reinvest it back to our business, we just want to consume all without investing back. That is what is really killing us. So even Binance, I think there's Binance N, but Binance N currently Nigerians cannot access it, but other people from other country can access Binance N, meaning if you learn, you can learn, and then by you learning about it, they will ask you some question and you get crypto in return. So these are ways you can actually make money with cryptocurrency. And someone like me, what I really did to be able to be growing my account this way, I discovered that there are other websites that you can join. There are so many social platforms that you can go, live streaming app that you can make money live streaming, even though most of this side favors ladies the most. But what I do is, if I'm withdrawing my earning from all these live streaming apps, I withdraw it in USDT, and when I withdraw it in USDT, I will now use it to trade. When I trade, I withdraw it maybe to Binance, I will now take it to Bybit, and then I'll use it to trade and all that, because I learned from Apostle Joshua Selman. He taught us to learn to multiply, and we shouldn't eat our first generational income. So if I make money from something, I ensure that the profit, I still use it for another business. Another business is maybe the third one that I'll start eating it, and so on and so forth. So in the comment section and in the description of this video, I'm going to drop links to videos that I've done about cryptocurrency for those that are interested, for you to even know what this cryptocurrency is all about. Number 2, I'm going to also drop a link to a playlist about other videos that can be helpful to you. Number 3, I will drop a link to a Telegram channel. It's a channel, it's not a group. So it's a channel where I'm going to be dropping more videos, because when it is the crypto channel, it's the moment I drop video, you are going to get a notification. And in the future, after I have practically teach you all those that I have mentioned here, I'm going to also be giving you signals, when to buy, when to sell, how to buy, how to sell, and all that. So please, I really appreciate you watching this far. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. And for my subscribers, I know you know I've been dropping videos in the community posts. That one is only those that subscribe to my channel that can access it. So more videos is going to come for those that are interested in all this loan, all this scholarship. I'm dropping posts in my community post. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. So if you are interested, please, if you are interested among these 5 things, although I'm going to do videos on all of them, but which one are you most interested in, so that I can start creating content on that particular one first. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Of course, my husband is getting better.